In this video, I will show you the best appointment scheduling app or software for service-based businesses. So whether you own a barbershop, a pool cleaning business, or you are a personal trainer, this tool right here will help you with booking appointments really easily, and it will make the experience a lot better for both you and the people who are actually booking, so your clients. So the tool I'm talking about is called simplybook.me. You may know it, it's a really great booking app, and there are a bunch of them out there, and in my experience, simplybook.me is by far the best one. So you can use it completely for free. As you can see, it's free, €0 per month, and you get 50 bookings per month, and you get one provider. So a provider is basically an employee. So let's say you are a personal trainer, then that's completely fine. However, if you own a barbershop, for example, with 3 different barbers or hairstylists, then you may want to consider the basic €8.25 per month plan, where you get 5 providers/employees. Now in any of their plans, even the free €0 per month plan, you get a booking website and a booking widget. So they will either create the booking website for you and you can use one of their beautiful templates, or if you already have a website, you can simply enter the booking widget into your website, and then you can still use this on your current website. So I'll leave a link down in the description that will take you to simplybook.me, where you can get a free account, no credit card required. So simply click get a free account right there. Now from here you can register your company. So in order to register your company, it is really simple. All you need to do is first enter your company name right here so that you will get your custom URL, then enter your work phone, and you can always change this later, and then choose your business category. But for example, if you are a hairstylist, you want to select beauty and wellness. If you are a personal trainer, you may want to choose sport or personal meetings and services, etc. So then here you want to go ahead and enter your address. So this is the address that your company is located in. If you have multiple locations, then you can add that later, and I'll also show you how you can do that. Now after adding in your location or address right here, go ahead and click on continue. Now the third and final step to signing up is to enter your login information that you will use to log in to your account. So for this, simply enter your name, email, and choose a password. Then you need to agree to their terms and conditions and privacy policy, and you can choose to subscribe to their promotional and marketing material. And here you can also choose to add your listing to the booking.page marketplace. So that's basically a marketplace created by simplybook.me where people can discover your business. So then go ahead and click on sign up now. Now your booking website is being created, and all you need to do is verify your email by entering the 6-digit security code that has been sent to your email. Then after you click verify and continue, you will now be taken to the onboarding right here, where you can answer one simple question: how do you want your clients to book your services? You can either choose I want to use simplybook.me booking website, where you can choose a bunch of great templates, or if you already own a website and you simply want to embed a simplybook.me booking widget there, then you want to choose this one. You can also say I would like to try both, but I think their website looks very good, but for this example I'll click I would like to try both to show you both of these features. So now go and click on continue. And now here's an important step where you can enter your company working hours. Now if you have multiple employees, so I'll just keep with the barbershop example. Let's say you have 3 hairstylists working in your barbershop, then you can always change the working hours per employee later, and I'll also show you how you can do that. But for now, just enter your company working hours, so you can choose the days that you are available and the times that you are available. Now I do recommend to add breaks, because otherwise you can just be booked for the entire day back to back, and that's not great. So I'm just going to add in some breaks, and automatically it will choose from 1 p.m. till 2 p.m. Now of course you can make this shorter, or you can change it to a different time. Let's say I want to do 1 a.m. until 13:30, then I can just do that for every single day, for example, and I'm going to click save and continue. Now here you can create your providers. So in the free trial that you can claim with the link down in the description, you can get up to 5 providers. So a provider is basically an employee. So let's say I have 3 providers or employees, then here for example is me, then one of my employees and another one. Simply enter their names right here, only the first name is fine. And now here you can choose a number of clients that can be served at the same time by each of these providers. So if you are a personal trainer and you do group sessions, for example, then you could say 6. But if you only do one-on-one training, then you want to keep it to 1. So let's say again, I have a barbershop, then I would keep it to 1. Now here you want to go ahead and create your services. So for now you can add up to 10 services, but you can add more later in settings, and I'll show you how you can do that. So here you have some suggested services, but this may not be relevant to you. But for example, if you do wedding planning, then you can simply enter that right here. And if you have a barbershop, then you want to enter a bunch of different ones right here, such as dyeing hair or cutting men's hair or washing and cutting men's hair, etc. So let's say I want to do personal training, that one right here, and the duration, let's say 1 hour for the price of 30 euros. Then I can just add that right here. And for this example, I'll just add another random service, let's say event photography. Now these don't have anything to do with each other, but I want to show you how it will look when you have multiple services. So let's say this one takes 30 minutes. So you can also change the currency here if you want to any other currency. So then go and click on continue. Now here you can choose your favorite look. So this is basically a template that you can build your booking website off of. And this is really simple, and you don't need to choose one that is customized to what you do exactly. You can just choose any of them that you think look nice. So for example, I kind of like this one right here. So I'm going to click select right there. Now here enter your company title and describe your business. And now here you can choose your favorite colors for your booking website. So let's say I want to use the vintage one right here, then I can select that and you can see the colors kind of change to the colors I pick right here. Now here you can always switch between the different templates so that you can get a better look at them. However, I'm just going to keep it to this one right here called Dainty. And now I'm going to click on submit right here. Now there's two steps you can take when you choose that you want to try out both the booking website and widget. You can either click go to your booking website or go to your widget preview. First, I'll show you the booking website since I think that's the best feature that they offer. However, if you already have a good looking website, then I'll also show you how you can add the widget. So here you have a quick preview, but you want to click on go to settings right there in order to actually start setting it up. So there's a couple of steps you need to take, and there's only 5 steps, and you can see those in the top left right here. Now what you see right here, you can always add later, but first I recommend starting with these steps. So first setting up your working hours. Now we have already done this, however if you click on it and then go to settings, you have a couple of more advanced features that you can still choose right here. For example, you can add special day schedule so that you have Christmas, for example, off. And here we have already added this earlier, but this is mainly for the special day schedule where you want to take a day off, for example. Now you also have the manage providers here, and this is a really important step. So here you have your providers, but what you want to do now is click on any of your providers. So for example, Killian right here. And now you can add a service provider description, their phone number, email. I do recommend also adding an image for each of your providers so that people can actually see who it is. And now you can choose if you want to display the provider on the booking page, and here you have a provider's booking link. But the most important part here is that you add the provider schedule. So not every single one of your employees will probably have the same schedule that they are available in. So here you can simply configure your week schedule for each of your employees. So let's say that Killian here only works from Tuesday until Thursday from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. Then I can simply slide that over like this and just change that to every single day, and you can just toggle off the days that this person is not working. So then people will only be able to book for this person within these time frames. Now you can also choose the services that this person does. So for example, if Killian here only does event photography, then I want to select that one and click OK. Now if this person does all of them, then you want to just select all of these services here and then click save and close. Now you can choose the server provider's location. So if you have multiple locations, which I said earlier, for example, if you have 3 barbershops, then you want to enable multiple locations. So click enable there. And now the custom feature multiple locations was successfully enabled. Now here you just want to go and enter your locations by clicking on plus right here. You can create multiple locations. So just go and enter the details for each of your service providers here. Now next up you want to manage your services, so again click on step 3 and then go to settings. So they make this really simple for you. Now here you can add as many services as you want, simply click plus and then fill in the information, and you can also see the services that you already have. So for me I have already done that. Then step number 4 is to manage your design settings. So go to settings again, and now here you can again choose your template. We have already done this. Now here you can add additional theme settings. Now I do recommend to upload your own logo so that will actually be displayed on your booking site. Now here you can choose your color settings, so you can actually choose your custom colors. Then you have your calendar layout settings that you can play around with and just go and customize everything here to your liking. Now here you have a preview, so you have phone, tablet and desktop. So let's say I want to select phone. Now here you can see people can choose the category or the service. Then next up they can choose a provider, for example personal training. Now if you add a picture to your providers right here, then they will also see the pictures. So let's say they choose Killian here. Now they can book in a time. So for Killian I only chose Tuesday until Thursday. So you will then see that he is only available Tuesday until Thursday. Let's say he wants to book this date. And then now they will get the option to choose a time right here. So you can see he has a break from 1 p.m. until 13:30. So let's say I want to do 11 a.m. until 12 a.m. Now they need to enter their name, email and phone. And what will happen when they do that is that they will receive an email. So click Set up notifications right here and then go to settings. So now you can choose what type of notifications you want. So you have your email notifications for the service providers, so that's for you and your employees. Then you have SMS notifications for you and your employees. And more importantly, the email notifications and SMS notifications for clients. So I'll show you one of these notifications. If you scroll down a bit, you can see all of the notifications that are currently enabled. So the one that will probably be used most is this one right here, the client's booking confirmation template. So they will receive an email after they book looking like this. So booking confirmation for this service at this company, dear client, and everything that you see in between these brackets will be filled in automatically with your information and your client's information. So as we just saw, when I booked, I had to enter my name, email and phone number, and all of that will be added automatically. On top of that, also the service provider, the date and the time. So then this email will just be sent out automatically. So that's a really cool feature of simplybook.me. Now what you want to go and do in order to preview it is go to my booking channels here and then click my booking website. So now you will see kind of what it looks like. So I haven't finished it completely yet, but people can simply click book now right there. Then they can choose what type of service they want. So let's say event photography. Now they can choose a date that they want this for. So I only chose that Killian does this, so therefore it will choose Killian automatically. But let's say the 30th right here. Now you can see the times. So let's say this time. And now they need to agree with the terms and conditions, enter their details right here. And now they can go and confirm this booking, and then they will receive a confirmation email. And you can even set up that they actually need to pay from here. And if you want to do that, just open up simplybook.me again, go to payments here so that they need to pay upon the booking right here. So you can also set up a deposit so that they, for example, need to pay 1/5. So in this case, that's €5. And that will really increase your show up rate because people have already paid a little bit of money. So when you head over to the custom features right here, you have a list of custom features that you can enable. So one of them is the service categories, which I think looks very good. So you can see kind of what this means right here for each of these custom features. So just now I already enabled the multiple locations, but I do also recommend these service categories because this makes it easier to navigate by separating your services into categories. Now you can choose any of them right here, so you can use Google Translate, a file uploader, you can even do a custom domain name, which will have a one-time activation fee. You want to turn on if you want people to pay directly right here, but you can also do accept deposits, so take upfront payments for your services, and as I just said, this is very helpful to increase your show up rate. Now you can even get a client mobile app, so that's your own branded client app to make it easy for your clients to book. So they have a large list of pretty cool custom features, and depending on the plan that you have, I'll show you how many custom features you can get. So that depends on which one you have. So right here you can see the plans and then the amount of custom features. So in the free plan you get 1 custom feature, then here you get 3, then here you get 8. And from the premium plan you get unlimited. So I do really like those custom features, but if you have enough with 8 for example, and you don't have more than 15 employees, and you don't need more than 500 bookings per month, then standard is completely fine. Now you can even use the free plan if you only need 50 bookings per month and 1 employee and 1 custom feature. Now they even provide a marketing suite right here, which will help you grow your business with a range of marketing tools. So the booking.page feature we already went over when creating our account, and as well as the client mobile app we just went over. Now you also have a booking website QR code, so you can just hang this up wherever you want, so you can simply download that image and copy it. Then you have Facebook and Instagram bookings, so you can add a book button to your Facebook and Instagram account. You can set up Google Business, Google Reviews, Instagram photo sharing, and here you have some marketing tools such as coupons and gift cards, a line bot, a book soon notification system, review management. So by the way, this one right here I think is really cool, so you can remind your clients to come back when it's time for their next visit. So for example, if you are a barber and you have cut a man's hair 30 days ago, you can turn this on so that people who have booked that specific service will get a notification after 30 days, where they will get a notification that it's time for a new appointment, and that will really decrease your churn and people will keep coming back. Now you can also set up news, custom emails, and mass mailing. Now here in Calendar you can really easily see all of the upcoming appointments, and you can also download the app so that you can see it on the go from the app. So that's a really cool feature. And now if you have multiple employees, for this you want to go and invite your employees so that these people can actually see their schedule. So in order to do this, what you want to go and do is click on Manage right here and then click on Users. Now from here you will see that currently I only have one user, which is me, but you can just click on plus right here, then set up their account, so set up their email, login, group, set up a password for them, and then turn on send login information to user right here, and then they can log in to simplybook.me so that they can also see their schedule. Now again, they also have the widget, and if you choose the widget, you can simply go and set up a widget, so a booking widget, and from that you will then get some instructions on how to add it to your website, but that really depends on where you build your website. So for example, if it is on Shopify or WordPress, these steps are very different. However, you will just get some code that you need to add somewhere into your website. But it's all pretty straightforward and you can also figure that out. So in my opinion, simplybook.me is the best scheduling app or software for service-based businesses. And you can get a 14-day free trial, no credit card required, using the link down in the description. So you can just check it out, see if you like it. And in my opinion, it's the best tool out there. So now you know the best scheduling app / software for service-based businesses. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.